Now, student, we will discuss about the telephonic interview method in this video. Okay, in telephonic interview method, basically all this process like personal interview, indirect oral investigations, mail questionnaire, and the last is telephonic interview. All this method we use basically to collect the primary data. That means to collect the primary informations, primary data, or to collect the informations. Okay, so in telephonic interview method, in this method we also collect primary data. In this method we will also collect the primary data, but in different way. In different way means we will use our telephones or mobiles. Okay, we will call to our respondents. We'll call our respondents and we'll ask some questions through telephone. Through telephone we will ask some questions, and we will ask only those questions which are very, very important, because the respondents have some precious time. They will not give you time. They will say we are very busy, and that is why we have to ask, or the investigator have to ask only those questions which are very, very important. And basically the respondents will make only those questions which answer will comes either in yes, no, or in small, big, like in options. Okay, so that they can complete their survey. They can collect the informations within a very short period of time. So when we collect primary data, that means primary informations through telephones, and we ask some questions to the respondents through telephones, and then collect the data and analyze it, that is called telephonic interview method. Okay, basically this method is used in developed countries. In other developed countries, very small very small areas we see that this telephonic interview is using. Why? Because there are some in rural areas we see that the persons do not have do not afford the telephone or mobile, and that is why the telephonic interview method is not very useful in developing countries. Basically in developed countries this telephonic interview method is used. Okay, so this is the third method, telephonic interview method. And in this method there are some merits and some demerits. In this method we can collect some accurate informations. We can collect. Okay, in these method we can complete the survey with a very less time. We can complete the survey, and it is also cost effective. We don't have to much too much amount of money. We don't have to hire the investigator to and send them to the field to collect the data. For this purpose, a big amount of money, company or industry or government have to spend for hiring investigator, sending them in the field, okay, collecting informations. In this purpose, a vast amount of money or a big amount of money the institutions have to incur. And this method, that means telephonic interview method, is the merit of this. It is cost effective. We can complete the survey, we can collect the data within a very less time. And because one-to-one conversation is going on in this process, so we can assume that they will send some accurate informations. These are the merits. And the demerits are the informations that they will give may be biased. may be biased or inaccurate because the investigator only asks questions through telephones. Investigator do not go to the field, do not observe the situations, and that is why in these cases the informations they will collect may be biased or inaccurate. Next, next demerit is the informations that the investigator will collect may be unreliable. We cannot believe on these informations because we use these informations through telephones. We can't see that whether they are saying the true informations or false informations, so we cannot rely upon these informations. So these are the demerits of telephonic interview. Okay, so these are the four methods that we have discussed: personal interview method, direct interview indirect oral investigations, mailed questionnaires method, telephonic interview method. All these four informations you must keep in your mind, that all these four methods we used for collecting primary data. Okay, for only collecting primary data. Next we will discuss about the secondary data.